How's it going, traders? Welcome back to another video. This one is a very special video because I will be revealing to you guys my #1 trading strategy. And I like to call it strategy, trade with the trend. So let's just go through some examples, and I'm also going to do some back testing and show how you guys are going to use the system. So the system does comprise of two indicators. They're both the same indicator, two moving averages. You guys can see here. The first one is a 200 period moving average, which is the white one, and the other one is an 8 period moving average, and it's lime green, as you guys can see here. So let's just do some quick examples. And whenever price is below the 200 moving average, you would only go for sells. Whenever price is above, you only go for buys. So vice versa. If we do some back testing here and find some examples, you guys can see here price is below the 200 moving average, so we're only looking for shorts. And for entries, we look at the 8 period moving average. So whenever price closes below the 8 moving average, you'd go for sell trades. You guys can see here a nice win right here. Price goes below, another nice win. Price goes below, another nice win. Price goes below, another nice win, 200 pips. Now, if price is above the 200 moving average, we'd only go for buys. So price closed above the 8 moving average, and it is above the 200 moving average. So you would go for that buy. That is a nice 380 pips win. Another candle closed above the 8 moving average. Another win here. Another win here. Another win here. So you guys can see that this is very, very consistent and shows you guys some very good trades. Now, even if you entered in here, you guys can see here it went down. But since you're trading with the trend, ultimately in the end, it does go up and you're in profit. And this is why this strategy is so good, because you're trading with the trend. So there's no way, or there's a very small chance of you losing the trade, because the trend is your friend, guys. If you guys haven't heard the phrase, it is very, very well known among traders. The trend is your friend. And you guys want to keep trading simple. You don't want to have like 25 different indicators on the screen. You don't want to be using different strategies such as divergence plus support resistance plus overbought and oversold levels. Just keep it simple, guys. Just trade with the trend. It is so easy to identify a trend. Just plug in the 200 moving average and the trend is right there, guys. Also, regarding with the stop loss and take profit, I usually like to take around 20 to 80 pips. Obviously, it depends on your risk tolerance and the pair. For GBP odd pairs, the volatility is crazy, so you can definitely get a lot of pips from that. So the GBP pairs, 50 to 80 pips. Other pairs such as the Aussie pairs, you can probably get around 20, 30 pips. That could be your take profit. So the take profit is set, but for the stop loss, as you guys can see here, we have an example right here. 200 moving average. Price is above that. We also have the price above the 8 period moving average. So you would buy here. Yes, and as you guys can see here, price went down. And when price goes below the 200 moving average, that is when you would exit this trade. So that is the stop loss. There is no set stop loss, unlike the take profit. And so far, this strategy has been really, really good for me. So I hope you guys try this out. You guys can definitely backtest this yourself. Try it out live, but just remember to use a demo account before live. And one more thing I would like to mention is you guys are going to get a lot of trade opportunities. This is why we trade on the 50-minute chart, because it takes some noise out, but not too much. And this gives you a lot of trading opportunities, guys. And you'll probably get around 10 plus per day, especially if you're trading with all the major and minor pairs. So a lot of trading going on with this trading systems, and if it's for traders that like to trade a lot or are trading full time, you guys will definitely get a lot of available trade entries. So that's the end of the video. If you guys like this helpful, I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment. That does really help the channel out. And we'll see you guys in the next video.